Shots fired. 366. Shots fired.
911, what's your emergency?
Yes, please come quick. There's a burglar breaking into the house. McKinley Street.
South McKinley?
Yes, please hurry. He's armed and dangerous.
Okay, do you know who he is?
No, he's wearing all black. Please show up.
Okay, is he inside?
Yes, he's inside.
Okay, I just needed to take a breath. My partner's getting them heading that way while I'm talking to you, so this isn't slowing anything down, okay? Where are you at in the house?
I'm in the back room. Hurry up.
Okay, did you say you know who he is?
No, hurry up.
Okay, ma'am, I just need more information from you, okay? Where in the house?
He's going to the window. He's inside. Please get inside. Please get over here.
Okay, where in the house is he?
He's in the back room.
And you're in the back room?
Yeah, I'm running away from him.
Okay, is it just you in the house?
No. Can you please send someone?
Okay, ma'am, I said they are on the way. This is not slowing anything down, okay? I just have to gather more information from you while they're driving, okay? Have you seen him?
Yeah.
What's up?
Just keep an eye towards the back.
What the fuck on my children?
Shots fired. 366. Shots fired.
Shots fired.
This is it right here. Yeah, you can just keep an eye on it. Just keep an eye towards the back. That's safe over here.
What the fuck on my children?
Oh, hey! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! 366. Shots fired!
Shots fired.
Where the fuck are my children?
Whoa! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! 366. Shots fired!
Shots fired.
366.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
247. Shots fired. Shots fired.
They got hit her. Let's see her down. She's in the kitchen. Move forward.
Hold on. No. Hold.
No.
Hold.
Hold.
Hold. Casper Police Department. Anybody else in here? Call out.
She still has gun.
Let's wait for some more.
Gun might be at her foot.
Any units responding, I need a shield to the front door. Front door.
Clear back here. Clear. Zach, you got shooters?
Oh, you do. Okay, I'm gonna get gloves real fast. You got med bag?
Yep. What else you guys need? Anything? What you guys need? I don't think we have a pulse. Let's get her.
If we want to grab my hand or something in the car and let's med stage. I'll get the
Okay.
chest seal.
We got one GSW to the chest, center mass. Chest seal it. I don't think she's breathing, but
Go ahead.
yeah.
CPR.
We got no. We'll plug it first. Who is this? I'm gonna roll her real quick. Check her an exit.
Yep.
Got an exit?
Okay, another one.
She got a pulse?
I don't know. I didn't feel one on her carotid. Feel femoral.
I don't have nothing. Shot.
What, 5 minutes?
Yeah. Right there.
Zach, I put your roller back to you.
Yep, I'll start her.
Okay.
Okay.